That is it.
Oh my gosh.
Life
My posh flowers from Canary Wharf. Pretty. Yeah. This is, and for some reason I'm thinking, and it goes, then my soul shall remain.
Juice cash a floss for the inside,
So
that is it, you forget a floss for wife.
we have just celebrated our friend's birthday. Me Jules.
Our essential Canary Wharf, yeah?
The most confusing place to find parking. When I say confusing,
This is
I
what
mean
the bus says when you see you go round and round.
confusing. Woo, it's a bit nippy out here, isn't it?
Imagine if you didn't wear the jacket.
Listen, I don't leave my jacket nowhere.
No, G.
Yeah?
Allah.
Me Jules, welcome back to another weekly vlog. I hope you have been enjoying the vlog so far. Look at him. Stop picking the flowers. You're picking.
Mwah. That is it.
Oh my gosh.
Life a
My
key.
posh flowers from Canary Wharf.
Yeah,
You can't just play
Flowers
along
have
once for me.
You know?
Huh?
The flowers have the millions in there, you know?
No, literally.
Yeah, man.
Millions.
So the rich park up a man and watch it. Stop it.
It's very,
Hold on.
very nippy.
The breeze is getting this cold on. I'm tapping on my arm like roll on.
You got a joke, yeah? Canary Wharf.
Two minutes for straight forward and guess what? You can't make it pass. A lie? Never lie. That is it. We cozy almost in the fire up. Scan up, tumbling in the fire. So let's see the chat.
Oh my gosh, have they closed the car park? Oh yeah.
Right side.
Woo! Mama Jules she's flying. We are out and about. We are out and about. We are doing shopping because this week we are busy. Busy. What?
That one's called the card shop.
The card? No, I need a nose ring. Okay.
I don't know you.
Yes, you're my handbag. I look so shine. Oh my god. I'm not glowing, it's shine. It's shine. Woo! And what did Priya buy? You gonna show us? Go on then. Let's have a good look. Ooh.
And the
That's lovely. Give us a good twirl. Show us the front. Show us the front. That's the back of the yeah. Ooh, lovely. That looks so good. Yeah. What else did Priya get? What else did Priya get?
A bag.
Yeah. And what's the bag called?
Bag.
A poppet bag. Yeah. Let's have a look at your bag. Show us your bag. Ooh, it's pretty. Yeah. Yeah. And what else did Priya get? Oh, you got another dress. Yeah. Give us a little twirl. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Nice, nice. And you get shoes. Ooh, show them your shoes. Nice. God bless you, miss. God bless you, because
no, I felt like a woman recognize a woman.
A woman
when you come out to traffic, woman police question when you come out to traffic. Watch out. Oh, young Clark, go take care, come find something.
Is it mad? It's absolutely disgraceful.
You go learn for your one. You should walk on that person.
Yeah, I mean you can walk underneath it, but it's just a little fish. It's just a little. I don't know why we did that in primary school. Actually, like it's weird, isn't it? I don't know. But it just was a thing in primary where whenever you went on a school trip, you wouldn't walk underneath these legs, because apparently anyways, we don't talk about the things. Today's Saturday.
Today's a sunny day.
Today's a very sunny day.
It's a sunny Saturday.
And we're going to be going to a party later.
Fine, what's funny?
You're so nosy. Stroll for a bit of brunch, you know. Go to meet a lady. Could be doing anything, to be honest. But
is in a nice crop, a plain white tees and a white blue shorts?
Maybe going to meet a lady, because he looks
fresh.
Yeah,
but like, not fresh for gym, not fresh for walking. Yeah, fresh to meet someone.
That's what I'm saying. Like he's very fresh. And you see that happy bounce. He's got a happy bounce to him. He's proper like
excited. Can't wait to reach there.
Yeah, he might not be grinning teeth, but you can tell that his soul is just happy.
Prawncy.
That's it. It is baking. So hello my jewels, welcome back to my channel. I know, such a late intro, right? It's not really giving what it's meant to give. I don't even know why I'm even starting it like this. Anywho, just dropped day to work, and I went to go buy a few bits and bobs that I needed. So obviously just a quick haul. So I got this. I got this. This is the only setting spray that I use, and it's from the brand Revolution. I've obviously got my concealer, because my concealer was just running out, finished. Then, you know, your girl gotta be up on her sunscreen game, because honey child, the sun is out like a booty crack today. So I've got that, and you know, health is wealth. So I also got some nuts from Aldi, which was like £1.69 per packet. So technically it's not really that bad. Actually, it's not bad at all. Very, very good. So that's and I got this for free, because you know, if you spend £10 with Revolution, you get a lip gloss for free. You gotta look out for these deals, honey. You gotta look out for these deals. So that's my little shopping haul done. I'm gonna get going, because I need to actually go and get my car washed. We need to go, because you know, I've got a few events this weekend, and yeah, the car is looking very miserably dirty, so definitely need to go do that. I need to butt this, because I am so, when I say I'm so hot, you could probably tell, because I'm probably sweating. Yeah, well, my top lip is definitely sweating, that's all I know. My top lip, guys, is definitely sweating, and we need to get this car washed properly. Like, I haven't had the car so dirty in such a long. The car is filthy. Not okay, maybe that's an exaggeration, to be fair. It's not filthy, but it definitely does need a good wash. 100% needs a good wash. There's a lot of stuff, not on the floor, but like, you know when you eat in the car and there's crumbs, and so I would say there's a lot of crumbs on the floor. And also where I park my car, like, there's lots of trees and stuff, so I'm gonna have to tell Mr. Man, when he's washing it, he needs to lift up the bonnet and he needs to actually wash, I don't know what you call that bit, like the, not the inside of the bonnet, but like, I don't know how to explain it, but there's a bit on the bonnet section that is collecting a lot of leaves, so he's gonna have to definitely come and clean that 110%. Now I'm trying to figure out the quickest way to my destination. That is what I need to figure out, and I'm not too sure what the quickest way is, to be honest. Well, not from this angle anyways. But yeah, I'll probably, yeah, I don't know, but let's see how it goes. But what else am I saying? Apart from that, nothing really. Listen, I've still got get past this man because so it is now 10:38. I probably won't get home till about near 12 o'clock because I've got to drive there, then obviously drive back home. We need to leave the house at around 2:20, somewhere like that. I still need to go home, wash this wig, wash the wig, apply the wig, but then I'm kind of thinking, I don't know if I'm gonna actually apply the wig, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna actually glue it down. I might just slap it on my headpiece because time is really going, and I don't wanna try to apply the wig and then it fails, and then it's like, oh, what hairstyle am I gonna do now? Yeah, like I was just sat here, guys, and I was just talking to God. As I do, to be honest, I talk to God like a lot. And I'm just saying, I was just saying to him, like, I'm so grateful, like thanking him for waking me up this morning. You must be thinking, oh, this girl's always in a tired. You know what, guys? Because I don't know if you know, but I basically cut my hair. My hair is, I wouldn't say extremely short. To be fair, I cut it in February, and you can already, it's already like you can already catch it up in a way. So it's not that bad. But anyway, I basically got like braids in my head, and do you know what I mean? I've got braids in my head, so, and they need me to do it, to be honest. Yeah. Please, Lord, do not tell me I've come to buck up in a gridlock. Oh, it's moving. Oh god, I've even lost my train of thought now. As I was saying, I was talking to God. I was just telling him how grateful I am for waking me up this morning and stuff like that. And oh, the traffic lights are working. So what I was basically saying is that I might not be where I want to be, or I might not be where I thought I would be by this particular age. However, we kind of have to take life as like a little movie. I need to stop saying like, you know what it is? It's Love Island. There's this guy in Love Island, right? He came in last night and he just keeps saying like. So it's probably not stuck in my head. Anyways, so life is literally a movie. We are literally, let's call ourselves the superstars of our own movie. Yeah? Because we are the main character. Like, God has chosen us to be main characters of our own movies, and Jesus Christ is the director of the movie. Do you understand? So we just have to follow his instructions, and then we'll see how this movie plays out. Some of us have a beautiful movie, absolutely beautiful, where everything is just perfect in the movie, where it's just like bliss, happiness, peace, joy, you know. Others, some of us have movies where it's just like, wow, it's difficulty after difficulty after difficulty, but within the difficulty there are lessons learned, right? Others now have got a mixture where sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. But what I'm trying to say, I'm saying this to say this anyways, right? No matter what your movie entails, no matter what your movie has going on, no matter what chapter of your movie, or no matter what scene, if it's the beginning, end, or middle, the beginning, middle, or end, no matter what part of the movie that you're currently in, just keep on pushing, because you literally never know what tomorrow will bring, and that is the beauty of your own movie. Like, don't envy nobody else's movie, don't envy nobody else's life, because a lot of us, we come on social media and we show the most appealing part of our lives. Do you know what I mean? Like, we won't come on here and cry. I mean, I did once, but that was allowed. Most of us will come on here and you'll think that we're all happy, life is really cushy, life is really good. But off camera, I'm telling you, life is not always roses. As you should know, life is never always roses, to be honest. Because even if you're born in wealth, like, struggles do come in many different ways. You get me? So no matter what chapter of your movie you're on, just keep pushing, keep praying, live with a clean hand and a pure heart. No matter how rocky life gets, no matter what people do to you, can we move? Because this light has been on red for a long time. It really doesn't matter what people say or do. Do you understand? As long as you know you're living with a clean heart, brethren, just keep doing you. That's all you gotta keep watching. On the nice stuff for the on the bus the red light. They bust the red light. I don't, to be honest, I can understand why, because the red light was, it did have one with itself. You know, just keep on pushing. And there's a song that we sing in church. It says, I must have the Savior with me, because I dare not walk alone. I must feel his presence near me. near me and his arms. Listen, I don't know the full lyrics, so don't get at me, but that's the I think that's part of the lyrics. I'm sure I'm quite sure that is definitely part of the lyrics. That is one thing I wish I could read. You know what? I kind of feel like I can sing. But it it's not the singing that is like Beyonce or like not Beyonce, but it's not the singing that you want to actually hear. Does that make sense? Like, because I've got a very squeaky voice, and when I start to bellow up my voice, it's a bit crazy. But the song is really nice though. If you have time, I don't even know what the song title is. The Savior with me, for I dare not walk alone. I must feel His presence near me. And for some reason I'm thinking, and it goes, then my soul shall renew. I don't know. It's so funny. I'm sure I'm probably mixing up two different songs. No, maybe that is the song. I don't know. But I mean, either way, the song's lovely. Even if I am mixing up the song is a nice song. So I like that song. This guy is just egging to go in front of me, and listen, I'll tell you about these men in London and driving. These men drivers, he's been caught up right beside me for a while, and he's just been egging. He's been egging to go in front. But yeah, I like that song. Then my soul shall fear no ill. Lord, I wish I could really sing. Why are we but the word strong, Lord? Now this traffic light is wicked. You know, I've been here for 4 minutes of sat in traffic. But let's see, what other church songs do I like? Do you know what's so not funny, but you know what's a bit strange? If you ask me, like, on a normal day when I'm at home, listen, I could belt out. Oh gosh, I can belt out so much songs that I like, right? I really can belt them out when I'm at home, just cleaning, vibes, cooking, doing whatever. But put me on the spot, my mind goes blank. My mind is like, songs. But I literally be at home and the song will come to me, and I will literally be not screaming, but I will literally be singing the gospel. I'll be singing the gospel. But for right now, I can't remember any other songs. Yeah, my mind's asleep. Oh, yeah, actually, I do remember one song. Another one that I like is hold me in the palms of your hands. Hold me, Jesus. Hold me, mighty God. Hold me in the palms of your hands. Listen, my church is so lit, guys. So lit. And I will continue to sing that. I will continue to let you lot know. Right, fingers crossed, praying to God that this car wash is not okay. It's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. So I'm getting some vitamin D, guys. Guess what happened? I was in the shop because obviously they don't take cards, they don't take cash. So I went to the shop to withdraw the money in the petrol station. And as I was coming out, let me tell you, Goody saw one big dog. Goody saw one big dog. It's the quickest I ever book a U-turn. What? The owner was like, what's he doing? I go, he's not doing anything, but he's a big dog, like. Oh, he's over there. But listen, it was one big dog, yeah. So, no man, I had to say like, nah. Hold on. If you're in the UK, you can order this. This is Greg's, and what you get is 6 bakes and 2 drinks for under a tenner. How amazing is that? Good. How amazing is that? Yeah, so we're about to stuff our face before heading out. It's good.